In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit site in Mailchimp. We'll start right inside Mailchimp. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. That's where you'll find everything you need for your website. Click Website to open the website dashboard. From here, go into Settings. If you haven't set up a site yet, you'll see the option to create site. Go ahead and select that to generate your starter site so you can begin customizing. Next, choose Edit My Site. This takes you into Mailchimp's website builder. You'll land on your site workspace, where you can manage pages and design. To work on a specific page, click Edit Page. This opens the visual editor so you can see your page and make changes in real time. From this point, you're ready to start editing your site. Let's walk through a simple design change as an example. Suppose you want to update your site's color to better match your brand. Look for the style controls in the editor. Click Style, then select a new color. As you try different options, watch the preview to ensure your text stays readable and your buttons remain clear. A quick tip: stick to a small, consistent palette, usually one primary color, a secondary accent, and neutral tones, so your site feels cohesive. If you want to change the background for a section on the page, hover over that section and click Edit Section. When you do, a settings panel will appear on the right-hand side. In that panel, select Background. You'll now have two main choices: set a solid color or add an image as the background. For a color, pick something that contrasts well with the text in that section. For an image, choose a high-quality file that supports your message and keep it simple so it doesn't compete with your content. If your text becomes hard to read, consider a darker background color or a lighter image to improve contrast. As you make edits, take a moment to align spacing and typography so headings, paragraphs, and buttons feel balanced throughout the page. Consistency will make your site look more professional and easier to navigate. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Done. That wraps up your edits and saves the updates you made during the session. You can repeat these same steps across other pages to keep everything consistent. And that's it. You've created your site, entered the editor, adjusted styles, customized the section background, and saved your work, all within Mailchimp's website tools.